Today I'm here in the forest and I'm looking for pileated woodpeckers, which I hear in the area. They have a large thumping on the trees, as well as a really interesting whinny or call. So we'll see if we can find some. What you'll see here is actually holes made by the woodpeckers. They make incredibly large holes. You can actually see an example where the beak is going in. You can also see here's another example. There are actually holes all down this tree. See how they're looking for bugs. You see all those little holes? One's really close to me right now. So you can hear one in the distance. And I'm just going to wait pretty still to see if I get a shot of it. You can hear that thumping. So you can actually hear, after staying still for some time, they're making their calls and also pecking into the wood. You hear that. Surrounded by 3 now that I hear. One was just up ahead in the distance and I saw it climbing up the tree and making that sound. This is the pileated woodpecker. It's the largest woodpecker in North America. It has the ability to hear hollow spots and then taps into those places to get bugs out of trees.